In the early days of aviation, pilots navigated the skies with analog instruments and dials, each displaying a separate piece of critical information. A sea of gauges, buttons, and switches greeted them, demanding an impressive level of skill and focus. This was the era of steam gauges, where pilots relied heavily on their instincts and experience. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the cockpit has evolved into an elegant symphony of human-machine interaction. Enter the era of the glass cockpit, where computer screens replace analog dials, providing a wealth of information at a glance. The modern cockpit integrates various systems into a seamless, user-friendly interface, providing pilots with real-time data and 3D navigation maps. The glass cockpit offers not just a cleaner aesthetic, but also increased efficiency and safety. Information overload, which was a critical issue with steam gauges, has been significantly reduced. However, the simplicity of the glass cockpit brings its own set of challenges. The reliance on automation can lead to complacency and reduce a pilot's manual flying skills. The evolution of cockpit technology is a testament to the human spirit of innovation and our relentless pursuit of progress. From the era of steam gauges to the age of glass cockpits, we've come a long way. Yet, the journey doesn't end here. With advancements in augmented reality and artificial intelligence, the cockpit of the future is shaping up to be even more revolutionary. To recap, this video explored the evolution of cockpit technology, comparing and contrasting the old and the new. It highlighted the challenges and benefits of both, and how they have shaped aviation. It's a journey of relentless innovation and progress, a testament to the human spirit. The cockpit of the future, as we see it, promises to be a seamless integration of human and machine, promising safer and more efficient skies. So the next time you're on a flight, take a moment to appreciate the sophisticated technology at work, guiding you safely through the skies.